Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of a Galaxy M12 smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by Samsung. So now quickly open it and start unboxing. So here in top, here you can see here in top we get this small box, and here it is the subject of pen. And if we look inside it, so guys, here we get reading manuals and warranty card. So no transparent back case you get in the box. And here's the font itself. You can see it is in a blue color. The black and white color is also available. And this is the 64 GB and 4 GB internal variant. I have the 128 and 6 GB internal storage variant is also available. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So guys, here we get the USB type C to type A cable. And guys, this is the 15-watt fast charger you get in the box. You can see this is the adaptive fast charging you get in the box. Okay, so that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Okay, now remove its plastic cover. So here you can see is the phone. Okay, and if we talk about its back and frame, it is made by plastic. And if we talk about the weight of this phone, it is 221 gram, little bulky phone, and the thickness is 9.7 mm. So here you can see, not too slim, as you can see. And if we talk about the design, you can see it has a matte design. You can see on bottom it has plain, and here we get the matte design. This is the combination of matte design and plain, all you can see. Okay, so now if we talk about its physical overview, in the top here we get the secondary microphone, and on this side we get the volume up and down key, and this is the side mounted fingerprint with the power on off key. And on bottom here we get the main speaker. There is no stereo support, and this is the USB type C port. This is the main microphone, and this is the 3.5 mm headphone jack. And on this side we get the SIM tray. So quickly eject it. So guys, good thing it has triple card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. And you can see on back it has 48 megapixel true quad camera setup. You can see here we get the 48 megapixel f2.0 aperture, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel depth camera with LED flash. And here on front, yes, here on front it has HD plus. Yes, it has 6.5 inches HD plus 90 hertz high refresh ultra smooth display. Here you can see it has infinity V display, and here we get the 8 megapixel front camera. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has Exynos 850 8nm octa-core processor. It has 6.5 inches HD plus LCD display with 90 Hz high refresh rate. It comes with 128 6GB and 64 4GB internal storage. It has dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot support. It has quad rear camera, yes, 48 megapixel f2.2 aperture, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel with depth sense. It has 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture front camera. It has 6000 mAh battery which supports 15-watt fast charging. Okay, and it runs on One UI 3.1 based on Android 11, and it has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock for better security. So as you can see, I have set up the device. You can see starting Android. So this is the main screen of Galaxy M12 smartphone. Okay, if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. And if we slide here you can see we get the Google feedback feature. And if we slide from top here, we get the notification center, helpful quick settings, and brightness adjustment is also available there, you can see. Okay, and as you can see, the preloaded app is also available. Just here you can just tap and hold and tap on uninstall to uninstall the preloaded application like this. Okay, so as you can see, okay guys, it has 90 hertz. Yes, it has 90 hertz high refresh rate display. So now quickly go to settings. If we go in display, so if he's okay, so here you can see, okay, so oh man, this is bad. Here you can see no 90 hertz available. You can set it to adaptive or standard. This is a bad thing. You can set it to standard or adaptive, but no 90 hertz available. Okay, this is not good. So currently it's set to do adaptive screen refresh rate. So now check this out. You have to give 90 hertz. Now currently you are working on adaptive screen refresh rate. This is not 90 hertz. But if we talk about, here you can see it runs smooth. Here you can see. Because it is not purely 90 hertz, but as you can see the display runs smooth. Yep, it automatically set. A request to Samsung that give 90 hertz in a new update separately for ultra smooth performance. As you can see, currently the performance is smooth. If 90 hertz is available, you have to provide it separately. Okay guys, you can see display runs smooth. And if we go in settings, so let's check out about storage. So here if we go in storage, so guys, you can see it uses 16.21 GB out of 64 GB. You can see 25% storage used. Here you can see, and you'll get the all information over there available. Okay, and if we go in about phone, here in software information, so here you can see it runs on One UI core version 3.1, Android version is Android 11, and the Google Play system update is of 1 June 2021, and the Knox security is also available. You can see, which is a really good thing, and the Android security patch level is of 1 September 2021. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, display runs smooth. But I want separate 90 hertz. Yeah, we all want 90 hertz separate. Okay, so now if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I took with Galaxy M12 smartphone in different lighting conditions with different modes. And if we talk about its security, yep, it has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock for better security. So quickly check this out. So if we talk about its side mounted fingerprint, up put finger and you can see it unlock. Do it many times. You can see up put and it unlock. Up put, it unlock. It takes some time. You can see little bit time. You can see it takes some time. You can see it need improvement. Yeah, the side mounted fingerprint, you can see up put, it takes some time to unlock the phone. You can see, but quickly after that quickly unlock the phone like this. You can see up put like this. Okay, sometime it didn't take. As you can see guys, the side mounted fingerprint need improvement. And if we talk about this face unlock, I look and it unlocked the phone. You can see now phone look at me. Okay, there's some angle issue. You can see I look, and yeah, the face unlock is fast. Here you can see Now look at, and you can see guys, the face unlock is fast, no doubt. You can see I look and it quickly unlock the phone. You can see I look and it unlock the phone quickly. You can see. So the face unlock is fast, but side mounted fingerprint needs improvement. You can see I put finger, it takes some time to unlock the phone, which might fix in a new software update. You can see it takes some time, but after that quickly unlock the phone. So guys, this is the unboxing of Galaxy M12 smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.